Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I got a special unboxing from some parts from tboltusa.com. Alright, so we'll start with the small one. We'll save the motor for the end. Looks like they hooked it up with some stickers right on the outside. That's cool. We'll cut those out and look at those first. Looks like it's a bunch of different colors, which is pretty cool. I love stickers. I wish everybody sent stickers out. Oh wow, sent me quite a few. They're all different colors too. Pink, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. That's pretty sweet. Definitely be putting some of these on the toolbox. Let's go ahead and open up this box, see what's in here. It's just a packing slip. Something I've really wanted to do for a long time is build one of these ATC-70s. So I looked around for parts and it seemed like T-Bolt had the best deal on parts for them, so that's why I went with them. Oh wow, they sent me a garage banner. We'll have to hang that up somewhere in here when we reorganize the shop. We got a new uni filter. Let's see what else is in here. Ooh, a keychain lanyard. Nice. Here, I'll bring you guys over here so you can see closer what we got. Oh, sweet. Man, I love the stickers. So we got BBR Motorsports, T-Bolt, Piranha. 2 sets of stickers. That's awesome. Ordered a new throttle cable too for this. Ooh, a koozie too for your drinks. That's awesome. And a sweet t-shirt. Wow, they really hooked it up. Bottle opener keychain. New bar pad. Sweet, we'll probably put that on the CRF50. The pedcock, you have to get a special pedcock. I'll open that up in a second and show you guys. Here's their intake. I got the special intake for the Piranha, so it would fit under the gas tank. And then you always want to put a new exhaust gasket in. So we'll go ahead and open up this package and see what's in there. Sorry about the noise. It looks like it's starting to sprinkle out there, and this shop's got a metal roof, so it's a little noisy. So let's look at this pedcock. Oh, nice. Perfect. So the ATC-70s, the tank has 2 spouts at the bottom of them. So this will go into both of those hoses. Well, you can see this. And so you can run just a regular carb on it. That's pretty fancy. You need this if you're doing the swap. And you're gonna run a different carburetor than stock. Awesome. Oh, they gave me 2 koozies. T-Bolt USA. This is awesome. I love that stuff. So I'll go ahead and put this stuff back in the box, and I'll bring you over here for the unboxing of the motor. This banner's sweet too. Shout out to T-Bolt USA. Thank you. And a free t-shirt. Alright, let's go ahead and cut this open and see how it looks. This is the 140 Piranha. I got the auto clutch because I figured it'd just be more fun to putt around with that, but it's electric start. Heard a lot of good things about these motors. Here's the receipt for everything. Packaged really nice. Oh, it's a box inside a box. So we'll go ahead and pull this motor out of here. All right, so we got the Piranha 140. That's what the outside of the box looks like. It's packaged really well. All right, so we'll go ahead and cut this Piranha 140 motor open from tboltusa.com. There's the chain cover. Oh, wow. Pretty sweet. It's all wrapped in plastic. There's the new carburetor for it. All the electronics, electrical. Wow, pretty fancy. It's a little bag of hardware with gaskets for the intake. Comes with an intake. I just bought that other one from T-Bolt because I wanted it to fit under the gas tank. So we'll go ahead and pull this out of the box and have a look at it. So this is it, the Piranha 140 with the auto clutch, the 4-speed. Don't want to fully unwrap it until we put it in the bike, but wow, this thing's awesome. Looks like they do a quality check on it. Got an oil filter too, it looks like. No, that's not an oil filter. Electric start though, you gotta go electric start with these. So yeah, man, this is pretty awesome. Looks like they go through and they do their quality check before they send them out. All the wiring looks nice. This thing's pretty sweet. Should make that ATC-70 move pretty good. So yeah, it's doubling the CCs, but I'm gonna wait to fully unwrap it until I'm gonna put it in the bike. Just to keep it nice, I'll put it back in the box. Here's a vent tube. Looks like we got the shifter right here. I'm gonna keep all this stuff in the plastic Kickstarter and the intake it comes with. But I got the shorter one so it would fit into the, or fit under the tank. Go ahead and open up this carburetor. I've heard good things about these online too. Oh wow, it's all polished out, it looks like. That's pretty sweet. It says Piranha right on it. Really nice packaged. This carburetor should be perfect for this. Choke right there. Perfect. So, stay tuned. I'm still waiting on some other parts. There's the ATC-70 right there. Need to paint the frame, need to paint the tank. Got some other parts coming for it, and then we'll do a full build video on it. Thanks for watching.